Presenting to you birdies and sweet peas. Let's start by piping the tendrils or the stem of the sweet pea. We are just using a Wilton 3 writing nozzle with some green buttercream. I've achieved this green color by mixing green gel color to buttercream with a tint of yellow gel color for the brightness. Now we are going to pipe some leaves using Wilton 352 leaf nozzle. So this bright dark green color is achieved by mixing blue and yellow gel color in equal quantities. It is a really dark green color, as you can see, and this is the best way of achieving green colors. So let's pipe leaves all over the tendrils of the sweet pea or the stem of the sweet pea. We can pipe groups of 2 to 3 leaves all over the stem. Now we are going to pipe the sweet peas. For this, I have some yellow buttercream and a Wilton 104 petal nozzle. So the yellow buttercream is just plain yellow gel color to buttercream. That's about it. And the Wilton 104 nozzle is a medium size petal nozzle, so you get good decent size petals. You can even use Wilton 103 or Wilton 102 if you want smaller petal sizes. So let's pipe 3 sets of petals for the sweet peas. Little stamens in the middle of the flower using the same nozzle that we pipe the tendrils with, which is the Wilton 3 writing nozzle with some green buttercream. Now we are going to add some more tiny little tendrils to the top of the flower where the flower originates. To pipe the birds, we have some orange buttercream in a piping bag with a hole cut at the end, and we are going to pipe an elongated strand of buttercream like this. Now let's pipe a big blob of buttercream on top of the body of the bird to form the head. We are going to use a palette knife to lightly shape the body and the head of the bird, just like little strokes is enough. Now let's pipe 2 wings, and using a writing nozzle and some black buttercream, let's pipe some eyes and little beaks for the birds. Now let's pipe a second bird exactly the same way as the first one, but facing the other way. Now to finish off our design, I'm going to pipe some colorful petals by layering orange buttercream and some red buttercream in a piping bag. With Wilton 104 nozzle, I'm going to pipe random petals in between the design just so that it brings some color into our overall design. That's our birds and blooms cake completed. Hope you enjoyed this tutorials. See you next time. Thank you.